Hey guys, we're gonna be doing a biking video again. So yeah, let's get to it. Toyota, Toyota, Toyota.
Out of school for a 4-day weekend because it's
We're going to Knott's Berry Farm in 6 days, and surprisingly, the school is taking us. But we're lucky to even go to Knott's Berry Farm. And that's a free trip for us. And we don't even have to spend any money. But I'm probably am to get some stuff. But I'm going to try to film a video. And if I can't film a whole entire video, I'll film a short of something. Yeah, well, I don't know if you could hear him. Wesley, let's go this way. I don't know if you could hear him, but we're gonna try to go on every roller coaster we can. And I've been there once, and I can't wait to go on Ghost Rider. Yeah.
There's just one ride we can't record. The one that goes up and down, up and down.
And Ghost Rider.
Yeah.
They won't. I don't even think we could film on anyone, on any. I said anyone, anything.
We can just film us walking around the park.
Yeah, and show you the roller coasters that we went on. That we either went on or that we're going to go on.
I'm not going on the Ferrari ride.
The Ferrari ride?
Yeah, look, stop. Okay, stop.
1 second.
It goes like this.
Wesley, know that like spinning one? When you go on it, it spins and it goes too. It spins and it goes. What? The one that we went on. What? What? I don't know, but the one that we went on when it was night time, when it was dark outside last year.
No, but you can.
But anyways, I went on that, and since it was spinning and going at the same time, I thought it fell off because it had a big drop, and I was like, oh.
Oh, that one. The coaster, the coaster one?
I think so. I was like, we were spinning, and there was a little thing that went kind of upside down, and then I thought we fell because it went down and it was kind of on the side, so I was like, oh shoot, did we fall?
Ghost Rider, is it on the boardwalk? Is it on the boardwalk?
I don't know. But anyways, I can't wait to go to Knott's Berry Farm. But I'm sorry if you guys think we're bragging, but we're not. We're just trying to talk about it.
So we can also probably film a video about us walking around the park, just so we can show you what we're gonna go on, what we're gonna do, what we're gonna do and stuff. So it'll basically be one of those kind of like walking around tour kind of videos.
Wrong way. They haven't seen this way yet. 1 second, guys. I have to wait for him. Beep, 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 beep. Dang. Yeah, let's stop talking about Knott's Berry Farm just in case they really, really want to go. But oh shoot, what happened? Alright, there you go. Whee! I haven't really been posting, guys, because of my puppy. I have to take care of him a lot.
We have school to worry about too, so. And plus I'm gonna start posting videos on my channel about Rivals playing video games. So I'm gonna get new monitors for my birthday so I can upload.
Yeah.
To entertain you guys.
Yeah, I either want to play Rivals, I either want to get a monitor for my birthday, an e-bike, or a sniper,
If at any point we get 50 subs.
or a sniper airsoft gun. I can't wait to post when on our first year of the YouTube channel. Yeah, like an anniversary. Last time I went on this, I didn't film or anything. I just brought some beef jerky and some water. 'Cause I rode all around town. And I did a little fishing after.
Me and him were hanging out yesterday.
Maybe.
Me and him were hanging out yesterday.
We should go to there's a little river over here, and we should take a little break over there. Because my hand is starting to cramp. And oh, it's more up this road. Mount Williams. And guys, if you're a subscriber to the channel in Los Angeles, then we could like maybe take some pictures or something. And if you go to Knott's Berry Farm, the roller coasters, not the water park.
It's gonna be 6 hours on the way to Knott's Berry Farm.
Not
7 hours in the park.
we're gonna be like 3 hours to Knott's, but we're going on the bus, so
Yeah. So like longer.
like 5 hours.
We
But-
have 7 hours in the park.
Yeah, maybe
5 hours.
if they want to meet us, then they can meet us if they go.
So if any of you know us, you should
In
go.
Los Angeles, you should go to Knott's Berry Farm.
Yeah. We're probably going to be seen at Ghost Rider.
Mostly Ghost Rider.
We might also be seen at ice cream places.
Yeah, I love those places.
Yeah. When we got the Dippin' Dots.
Yeah, I love the Dippin' Dots.
We should do that next time.
I'm gonna.
There was a parade today at Mule Days, and I'm so tired. And if any of you know him, Connor's also going to be with us.
Yeah, he's the one that did 9 + 10 on the bus.
That we uploaded, yeah.
Yeah, that short that we uploaded.
He's also another one of our best friends.
Yeah.
But if anyone wants to see us, we're happy to do autographs.
Yeah, we're really happy to do them. Because we never really get seen in public at all.
Yeah, we do.
Well,
There's no one that really knows us as a YouTuber.
yeah. Bro, what?
What? We're by the water. I'm doing scuba. We're by the water. You go scuba diving in the water.
I know. I'm going to dip my feet in. Oh, there's a
I
bone.
don't really want to dip my feet in. I don't really want to dip my feet in.
There's a bone right there.
The dog bone?
No, I don't think so. Oh, that's cold. Yeah, if you go up this, then there's a bunch of trout.
Yeah. Also,
There's
if
probably
you want to
trout
also see
sitting
us,
over here.
if you want to see us, we might be seen. Also, I think, I don't know, somewhere by. We might be seen in Fiesta Village.
What?
In Knott's Berry Farm.
Ah.
Fiesta Village.
Mhm.
One of those scary rides. It goes like this. When it goes up and it spins, it goes like this. I went once. I was just laying there and I was kind of like sleeping and I was just chilling. And guess what? This is what I see in my ear because I have an adult sitting by me that I don't know.
Alright, yeah, we should get back to riding.
I take my helmet off, bro. Are we still going down this trail?
Yeah. Yeah, so it's if you guys see us over there, then you can.
You can just look anywhere for us at Knott's Berry Farm.
Yeah, but I bet you wouldn't want to look for us, and you would probably want to go on the rides.
Yeah, go on the ride, but if you see us at any point, we're happy to do anything that's not inappropriate.
Yeah. So,
We're not that kind of YouTuber, bro.
no.
We like biking and video games. Okay, I'm ready.
All right. And fishing.
I don't really go fishing, but I still do like it.
Yeah. A couple weeks ago, a fish broke, a really big bass broke my really thick, 9-pound line. So it had to be about, and my line wasn't even old, it was brand new. So that must have been a big fish.
Let's go down there. Wait, Parker.
Yeah.
Let's go that way.
Now let's go down this way.
Can we come back this way and then go over there?
Yeah. We might have to just do that because,
When we turn around, when we reach the end of it,
Oh my
we turn around
goodness.
and go over there.
okay, yeah, let's just go back.
Hold on.
Oh my goodness. There's way too much sticks that's blocking the path and trees and all that. So, but we're happy to do anything not inappropriate.
I'll do the first comment.
If I could allow comments, then Wesley will do the first comment in the comments.
Yes, it's not inappropriate, please.
Yeah, not inappropriate. And if it is, then he's not gonna do it. And we're gonna film it on a short.
Depending on what it is.
Yeah.
If it's to do a backflip, we're gonna have to do a 30-minute freaking video.
Yeah.
No backflips, because I can't do that.
Yeah,
I don't.
I could only do front flips, but like you could see that one, but I can't land the front flips yet, but
I do it on the trampoline. Sorry.
it's alright. Oh, yeah, I could only do it on a trampoline.
Here, follow me.
I've done it on grass before, but it hurt my butt so bad. Like the seat and my shorts. I can't really go fast, Wesley. We're gonna start doing like 30, maybe around 40 minutes, like 30 to 40 minutes videos. So, yeah. But that's what we usually do, but sometimes we don't do that. Yeah? What do you mean, where's my house from here?
Where's your house from back here?
Oh, way back there. But we shouldn't go to my house yet. Wesley, let's go this way. Oh, you know where my house is?
From here, no, I don't.
Oh, well, we should still be riding. I told them we're gonna do 30 minutes to 40 minutes on videos. So,
On videos. Not even 40 minutes short. That was cool.
yeah. And we're doing a video right now, so.
I know we're doing a video right
But I know this side of town like the back of my hand. Doing a little stretch because my back kind of hurts for some reason. Probably because I've been doing a lot of work.
Wait, Arthur, should we record after this a Roblox video?
I don't think we can.
We can.
How?
You can, while we're playing Roblox Rivals, we could set up the phone to where we could have it to record us. You know how that thing comes out? Or you can put it like this?
Oh yeah, but the TV is cracked a lot.
But still, do you want to do that?
No.
Why not?
Because I would like to give them a really nice view. Because, yeah. Oh yeah, you guys should comment down below what your favorite kind of dog breed is. My favorite is Dutch Hounds. I have to go get Wesley. Wesley! Wesley. What's your favorite kind of dog breed? I said
I
breed.
like wiener dogs and pugs.
Oh, so pugs and Dutch Hounds. He likes pugs and Dutch Hounds. Did you know a wiener dog's first name wasn't a wiener dog, it was Dutch
Yeah.
Hounds?
Yeah.
Well, Dutch Hound. That's what Charlie is.
Now that you can call them either one.
Mhm.
What? How much? How have we been recording? How long?
20.
20 minutes?
Yeah.
Exactly.
When I told you it was 12 seconds off. Oh yeah, guys, we still need an editor.
Comment what you like, Roblox or Fortnite or Minecraft.
Don't comment Fortnite. I quit Fortnite for a reason.
Comment which one you like the most.
Yeah, comment which one you like the most. Roblox, Fortnite, or Minecraft. Let's go the other way. Yeah. Oh, Wesley, there's a road down here that's a pretty good road. Ah, there's a bunch of cows over there too. Comment down below if you like to hunt or just
Comment down what?
shoot.
Comment down what?
If you like to either shoot guns or hunt. Because I honestly like shooting guns and hunting. And I shot a gun earlier today too. Yeah. If you guys wonder why I'm going so slow, it's because I honestly can't really stand up without my wrist hurting because I'm holding my phone. Well, I'm not holding my phone, but I'm holding a stand thing. What?
We can have a sleepover.
Sure. But me, Gabby, and my grandma Ginny, we're gonna go camping.
Today?
Yeah. We already went last night, but I could ask.
Oh, dude. I will pick you.
Oh.
Can we go back?
Bro, your feet always hurt.
Yeah. Exactly. My feet always hurt. Exactly.
Yeah, sadly this video isn't gonna be like 30 to 40 minutes long. Sorry, but his feet hurt.
You can't blame me. My feet hurt.
Your feet always hurt. Every single video or after a video, your feet hurt.
Usually my feet hurt when we go downstairs.
If we have a sleepover, if we have a sleepover, then we should go on Mazurka and go past the aqueduct. What? Yeah, there's not a bunch of cows that we would go on Mazurka and pass the aqueduct.
When we also have a sleepover, we need to ask your grandmas and my dad.
Okay.
And if not, at least we got to play it.
Well, hang out, play, same thing.
Hang out, play it.
Yeah. You could call it whatever you want, but I like to say hang out. I'm gonna tell
That's kind of the banana car we were talking about. It doesn't look like that.
like that. Kind of.
But that car is never going to get out.
can, but
Probably not.
most likely not to. And my back and my hand is cramping. I hope I could get an e-bike. I've been wanting one for a long time. Then I could actually go way faster. And yeah. Wesley, we should go show them what the football field looks like. I don't know. Probably look cool to them. Because there's, maybe not, probably not, but there's a big windstorm. Oh, rain and wind. Mostly. No, there was actually no rain. No, the dirt came up because of the wind. Yeah?
Why don't we just go down that way?
I don't know.
Can we?
We already passed it. But this is our school, guys. Going past our school, sadly. Hope I don't get yelled at. Man, I don't even think these. Where are you going? I don't know where he's going at all. But I have to go catch up to him. And he's, yeah. Shoot. Damn. Oh, my hand. Hi, Cash. Now where? Bro disappeared. Where is he? Oh, there he is. He didn't disappear. I thought he did. Because usually he does. Somehow. Now where is he? Oh, there he is. Bro, Wesley, stop disappearing. Bro, he keeps disappearing. Oh, shucks. Bro, where is this chicken? Where is he? He didn't go across the field. So I don't know where he went. Oh, I want to show you guys something. And a little, aw shucks. Forgot my front brakes don't work. Forgot that I accidentally hit them. Oh shoot. Off. I almost crashed because this grass is so weird. Bro, Wesley keeps disappearing. I don't know where he went. Well, I honestly can't. Oh, well, I hear him. Wesley! I was thinking.
Those damn kids were riding around here.
Yeah. I think we should show them. Remember when I can't talk, but when your sister was doing the play and I was jumping the little steps over there?
No.
Remember over there? I'll show you.
Oh yeah.
I think we should show them that.
I'm not gonna do it.
I know, I'm gonna do it. Yeah, I don't want to talk about that. It makes me embarrassed.
Fell off, bro.
Oh, you're talking about that. I thought you were talking about when I slipped over there.
Oh no.
Because that makes me embarrassed.
Go up the stairs and you flew off your bike.
The bike kind of flew off. Because,
And made you fly.
shucks.
Yo, you gave me the stairs, bro. Damn. Oh, I'm gonna hit the ball. Ah!
I'm gonna hit the papa! Can you hold this?
Fly off?
Oh, I have to move this so I could actually go. I believe it. I'd go. I believe it.
Guy, you gotta go get your bike.
Right there.
My bike.
Now let me place it.
I'm gonna go down slowly.
That's not a good idea.
I went down. But I wasn't gonna fly down it like you do.
Alright, guys. I'm gonna try it until I land it, and if I land it first try, you guys have to
Yeah.
Alright.
So I guess he's gonna go up there and he's gonna do whatever he's gonna do. Let's watch him die. He might fall, guys. He might actually die. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. Here he comes. Here he comes. He's gonna fly. He's gonna die. Yeah, he did it.
And I'm done.
Right, he did it, guys.
I landed it
finally-
first try.
Yeah. The last time we did it.
We don't know how to edit, so
The last time we did it, he literally died. Nothing.
now I kept landing it.
And then he flew off.
That's the only time that I fell off.
No, that's the. I came over here, and then he said, "Look at me do this," and he went. He said, "Look at me do this," and then you flew off your bike. You flew off your bike, and you gave yourself a pretty good scratch.
I didn't. If it was a pretty good scratch, then I would have a scar.
Scar, scratch, I don't care. You didn't.
Wesley, face it to you or me.
Why?
Because then they don't have to just see my bike handles and
Yeah. All right. So he did a shot, and now we're gonna. I don't know where we're gonna. Now we're gonna go away, and we're gonna go
to Knott's Berry Farm.
Knott's Berry Farm, and then we're gonna do whatever we do.
Yeah.
That's our video.
Now that's not the end.
Bro, I swear. Yeah, I broke your camera.
Alright, let's go. I want to see how much air I got. Are you sure?
No, you went like this. You went like That much air.
That's actually good. I do get a lot of air. Because I go on a bunch. I'm getting used to jumps, but after I get and after I complete this, I'm gonna go on to those stairs over there. Those.
No way. You know, some people don't even jump them. They just like ride them down.
I know, like that one person that did 300 something. That rode down 300 something.
Comment down below. Let me know if you like school.
What? What'd you say?
I said comment down below or no if you like school.
Comment, I don't know if you could hear him, but he said comment down yes or no if you like school. If you could do comments. I don't know why, but YouTube keeps not letting me. It keeps not letting me let you guys comment. So
They turn like comments on, bro.
yeah, that's what I did, and then they somehow weren't on.
I think that.
We need to make a thumbnail too. So wait, Wesley, we should go over there to do a thumbnail.
Huh?
Follow me so we can make a pretty cool thumbnail. That I would think is cool, but I don't know if he would. Dong.
Greenie.
You're what? You're greenie? What? It sounded like you said that.
Ah.
It sounded like you went bah. Bro, that stick just stabbed my leg. Yeah. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys, we're setting up a thumbnail.
Can I be in the picture?
Yeah, you could be in the thumbnail. But you're gonna have to hold my bike.
Right.
Because I won't stay. Tell me when.
Go.
Let me take one more. Alright, sorry guys.
Alright. Can we end the video now? It's more than 30 minutes.
Alright guys. We're gonna end the video. So, what are you gonna say?
Bye, I guess.
Bye. Bye.